To download a course on Udemy, start by typing Udemy into your web browser's search bar and select the udemy.com option. On the home page, locate and click the Login button. Then fill out the required email and password information to access your account. Once logged in, you will see various sections, including categories, search bar, Udemy Business, Instructor, and My Learning. To download a course, navigate to the My Learning section, where you can view all your courses, including those on your list, wish list, and archive. Find the course you want to download, and you will see options to download the videos or the course itself. You can also view the instructor, collection, share, and other details. By following these steps, you can easily download your desired course from Udemy.